Hi everyone! Today we're showcasing the Lyeasw 9x6x4 in shipping boxes, perfect for small business mailing and packing needs. These white corrugated cardboard boxes are easy to assemble without tape, glue, or staples, saving you time and effort. Made from recyclable materials, they feature sturdy 90-degree angles and a slot design for durable protection. Each box measures 9 by 6 by 4 inches on the outside, ideal for shipping soaps, candles, and other lightweight items. The flat shipping design keeps all mailers secure and easy to store in your workspace. Whether you're packaging products for retail or shipping, these boxes combine strength with convenience. Upgrade your packaging game with reliable and eco-friendly mailers for your small business today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.